Coaches, what if one simple 1-minute video could bring you new clients every single week? I'm not talking about viral trends or dancing videos. I'm talking about a simple format that gets real leads because it's made it to sell through trust. Here's the problem: most coaches post random videos hoping something will work. They get views, likes, even comments, but no one DMs them or books call. The reason: there is no clear structure that leads people from "I like the video" to "I want to work with you." So in this video, I will show you the exact 1-minute format that my clients use to bring in coaching leads every week. And after I explain the steps, we will jump on my screen and I will show you exactly how to run these videos as ads so they keep bringing leads on autopilot. Step 1. Start strong with one clear line. Ask a question or say something bold that grabs attention, but make sure you call the audience name, who they are. They might be contractors, they might be salespeople, etc., etc. For example, you can say this: if your videos aren't getting you clients, you're missing this one step, and you can add the audience name. For example, roofers, if your videos aren't getting you clients, you're missing this one step. Keep it short and sharp. Step 2. Share a quick story or short example that this makes your video feel human. You can say something like, "I used to post videos every day and got nothing. Then I realized people didn't know what I actually helped them with." Third step. Now give one simple tip or insight. For example, people don't buy information, they buy clarity. So every video should show them one clear next step that makes them trust you. And last step, end with natural call to action. Say, "If you want me to show you how to use this format to get clients every day, DM me the word," etc., etc. You can use info, sales, or anything that resonates with your audience, and then say, "I will send you the full guide." That's it. You have to keep it short, simple, and repeatable. Now let's jump on my screen and I will show you how to run this 1-minute video as an ad so you can reach more people even while you sleep. We will go step by step through how to upload it, what settings to use. So here we are. I'm going to show you how you will create these ads as a DM so you can get a lot of people in your DMs, in your inbox, so you can nurture them and send them the free stuff you will provide, or it can be, paid stuff as well. So let's create campaign, and you will go here and you will hit on create. You will set on traffic, use manual traffic campaign. Then you will name your campaign, whatever it is, you will name it. Then you will go here, next. Then you will choose the messaging destination, send traffic to Messenger, IG, and WhatsApp. Then you will let only IG. If you are doing this on IG, that's the most effective thing you can do. If your business is based on your WhatsApp, then you can do, but my recommendation is better for IG. So you will choose your budget, and then you will, this is really crucial, this part. Let me show you why. So you will switch to original audiences. Then you will go down here. You should at least choose your location where you are targeting. Let's say United States. Then I will take this off. Then you will have your lookalike audiences. The lookalike audiences, what does it that mean? You can create this with, let's say you have a sheet full of leads or the people you have worked with before, and you will create lookalike audience ads section. I can show you how. If you are interested, you can comment if you want me to create that type of video, how you can create lookalike audience. So we will create lookalike audience and you will choose it here. Let's say you will reach beyond, no, you will close this. Then you will choose the age. Let's say it's from 24 to 61, for example. And you can also add demographics, interests, what interests they have, so you can target more, narrow and specifically to the exact audience you are looking for. But it doesn't matter, you can let it the same because it will reach to the lookalike audience, to the same people as you have. So then you will hit next. Then you can create your, you can choose from existing posters. Select post from your IG. Let's say you are going to, I'm going to choose this. Save. and then you will go down here and you will, like, you have something, you can start conversation automatically. You will edit and create your own. I have like the existing one is people when see my ads, and then they are going to see a pop-up and they are going to click on info. When they click on info, my ManyChat automation will start working, and the automation will send them the exact thing that I'm going to send them, like the free value. So I automated this process so I can get leads consistently while I'm sleeping. And the same you can do. So you will choose your word and the messaging and then publish. That's it. So remember, it's not about posting more, it's about posting right. Use this 1-minute video format, follow the steps I just showed you, and watch how your DMs start filling up with real coaching leads. And if you are struggling to get leads for your coaching business, you can schedule one-on-one demo with me, and I will show you how you can do the exact thing so you can get more leads and consistently grow your coaching business. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.